guys, hold on, let me switch with the stuffed animal. Sorry. Hi, my name is Rainbow, and we're probably going to Great Wolf Lodge a few videos. And it's gonna be really fun. Don't worry. We'll do videos. Anyways, let me get to another thing. Hi, my name is Gigi, and I'll be probably going because I have a birthday, so. Yeah, I'm going to Great Wolf Lodge with you guys. There. Now, let's get to go into the other person. You guys are coming with this too. So here you go. Mermaid tail wipe. Hi, my name is Wild, and I'm probably coming with you guys. High five. High five. High five. Yeah. It's gonna be so much fun. Don't worry, guys. We're coming. We're coming. So, yeah. So, yay! Sorry. So that's all my things I'm gonna be bringing. Well, not really, because Gigi? Gigi is your dog. Gigi? Gigi? I'm just gonna be bringing this purse. There's 1,000 of treats in here and a lamp, just in case we go camping or something. So that's all. Probably going to Great Wolf Lodge soon. Bag swing, bag swing. Play with LPS. Love them. And if you're 70, don't forget to press the gayler. Bye. All right, sorry.